Quick video for today, guys. I'm using the smallrig cage for my fx3, which as you can see has my name on it, so this is mine. I like it because it's so slick and it's just like my Tilta cage, but the good thing about this one is you can put an area locating pin handle up here. You can remove this just like my Tilta one, but the bottom of the plate, the bottom of the cage, has this. So yeah, some company in Etsy made one of these, and then smallrig just kind of took it. So the good thing about this is that this is the way to open the battery compartment, but with that hinge there, it gets so flushed, like you can hold the camera properly, and I love it. So this was the reason I ditched the Tilta. At the same time, smallrig, funny, they made this wear outs on the edges, and I had the Tilta Tactical Gray, which is kind of worn out. This one, they're trying to follow it, or like, I don't know, similar to Tilta. And yeah, not sponsored or anything, I just love using this gear. So yeah.